Okay, I'm working on the Encore restoration that I'm doing. I have completely rebuilt the front and back suspensions with new bushings, and I'm now putting the wheel bearings and wheel seals in it. And so I wanted to talk about how to grease the bearings. So I'm going to slide the camera down here, and I'm going to show you in the 20-1-2, section 912, they talk about how to grease a fitting, how to grease a bearing. And what they say is put a wad of grease in your hand and press the bearing in circles around it like this, both sides. Of course, you get grease all over your hands. It's a real mess. Or you can get something like this. It's fairly cheap. This is a Horns USDY, Horde USDY, whatever it is, Horusdy. I don't even know how you spell that. I think it's Horusdy. Professional Tools. It's a grease packer. It's very simple. What you do is you fill your cup up with grease, you drop your bearing into it, and you screw this top on it here, just like this. Then you take this and you push it down inside. You loosen it up a little to get, so you can get down into it, into the grease, because you're trying to get the air past it into the grease. There it is, finally got through. Now, I'm going to screw this down to where it seals off there and put this on here and press. And if you look carefully, you can see that the grease has eased through every bit of the bearing. So now I unscrew this so I can get air in behind it and start bringing it back out. And once I do, I will get the bearing out right here. There's the bearing. I'm going to use a screwdriver to pull it out so I don't get grease all over my hands. And there's the bearing, completely greased, completely with an EPO grease. And now what you can do is just scrape off some of it and put it in like that, and it's well greased. It's grease all inside it. Your first startup is not going to destroy it. So this is a very good little trick to use, and these are pretty cheap little devices.